Your own video setup can be very simple. First, I'm going to start with what I use for the higher quality videos you've seen. In fact, you can get this too for your business. We can walk you through this so you can make better videos for your video marketing. So what we have here is a $600 camcorder. We chose this because it gives you faster autofocus. And then we have this microphone. It's called a boom or a shotgun mic. We use this because it allows you to capture better sound and it's directional. So it only targets sounds directly above or to the side of it. So you cut out background noise. And then we use a softbox. So that provides a light. So we take the camera video, we take the sound from that microphone, and then we sync it after. That's how you get a better HD image and combine the sound. So you get higher quality in the phone. Or you may not want to do that, and in fact, to get going, we usually recommend you start with your phone. So here's the minimum to get going with your phone reasonably, is start with the headset that came with it. So it'll usually look something like this. Right? You probably have that headset. It came with your phone and you've made phone calls. You can use that for your videos. Then it keeps it closer to you, which makes it better. And then to keep it, and if you want to go beyond that, you can use a lapel mic like this, which clips to your body and plugs into a device like this. You could sync it after. So you could do the video with your phone and then use an editor so in that editor you would drop in your phone footage and then use the sound from this device to give you higher quality sound. There's two ways you can do it. And this here is a simple tripod. If you want to have stable video, you take this guy here. We can even see, look at the difference. You go like this, and look at that. See how stable that is? That is the easiest way to stabilize your video. Now, there is a quality difference between this and this camera. This here is to show the difference in quality between a phone, which phones are good, and a higher quality camera. So this has a wide angle lens, but as you can see, the sound's better, and if you actually look at the details, it is much clearer. So this is recommended, but your phone does work. And the sound is a lot better too. So if you want to do your own video, this is exactly how you can do it. Or we can do it for you if you like. We have a team that's fully capable.